Hello, a very good morning. My name is Dr. Taufik Bora and I am a practicing oral and maxillofacial surgeon and unit head for cleft and craniofacial surgery at SL Raheja Hospital, a Fortis associate. Today's topic of discussion is temporomandibular joint disorders, also known as TMJ, and minimally invasive TMJ surgery, also known as TMJ arthroscopy. Temporomandibular joint disorders typically happens in the temporomandibular joint, which is located in front of the ear and is responsible for opening and closing the mouth. It is also responsible for chewing of an individual. When temporomandibular joint disorders are diagnosed for a patient, these patients typically have a problem in chewing. They have clicking and popping sounds occurring out of the joint whenever they open and close their mouth. When misdiagnosed or diagnosed at a later stage, these problems can progress and the patient may have headaches and pain in the head and neck region involving the neck muscles, the shoulders, etc. They typically complain of pain on yawning. They also complain of pain when they are talking excessively. What do we do for these problems? Initially, for temporomandibular joint disorders, the first line of treatment always is conservative management. When we say conservative management, it means that these patients are first dealt with at the initial stages of the problem with the help of medications, that is painkillers, muscle relaxants. If the problem still is not cured, then we go ahead and we make orthotics, we make splints. These are devices that can be worn in the mouth by the patient to manage the occlusion. Occlusion particularly means the way your upper and lower teeth meet. Temporomandibular joint is an ecosystem. It is made of your teeth, the muscles, and the joint itself. So normally patients suffering from this problem have to be diagnosed first and treated holistically. However, when the problem further progresses to further stages, and which can be confirmed with the help of an MRI, these problems require a limited amount of surgical intervention. In the past days, there was only open joint surgery that was an option to manage such scenarios. But nowadays, with recent advances in the field of oral and maxillofacial surgery, we have TMJ arthroscopy, or also known as minimally invasive surgery, or also known to the general public as keyhole surgery. What do we do in TMJ arthroscopy is, the surgery is done with the help of small needle scopes, which is 1.9 mm in diameter. These cameras are entered into your joint from this point. They do not leave any scars. It is just a matter of 4 holes, and the patient can be dealt with, or the internal dearrangement, which is the main diagnosis that comes out of MRI, can be dealt with at these stages. However, it is very important to understand in which stage the patient is, because temporomandibular joint or TMJ arthroscopy is very precise and deals with a particular set of cases. So it is highly advisable that you visit a TMJ specialist if you are suffering from such issues, so that it can be diagnosed at the right time, so that if you are in the initial stages, it may be managed conservatively. Even if you have progressed in your stages of the problem, it is yet to be managed with minimally invasive or keyhole surgery as arthroscopy. Arthroscopy, having said, has been present in scientific literature in big joints, which are bigger in size like the knee and shoulder, since years. However, in temporomandibular joint, it is a recent advancement, and there are very few centers in India, all over India, who manage these problems via minimally invasive surgery. I am very proud to today say that Raheja Hospital at this given point of time has all the essential armamentarium and skills required to perform a minimally invasive surgery or TMJ arthroscopy in the temporomandibular joint. We at Raheja have lasers as well as shaver instruments available to pull off most complicated procedures involving the TMJ very efficiently and with minimal damage and with minimum downtime for the patient. Thank you.